This make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Yeah, come wine till you broke off your.
What's up? So in today's video, we're gonna be doing Boho passion twist. This is the hair that I'm using, and the hair is by Sensational, and this is their 3X Ruwa Water Wave, 18 inches. I got 2 packs. It's gonna be enough because I think I'm only gonna use 2 strands, but pre-stretched, it's sectioned off. That's why I like it. I did passion twist, I did shoulder length passion twist with this a few years ago. So yeah, it's very easy to work with. It's very easy to manage. I got my hair rubber band off. I'm gonna crochet them in. So basically for this style, all you're gonna need you some type of jam, some type of edge control, so you can slick down your hair, especially if it's natural like me, like mine. Crochet needle, and whatever hair you choose, you don't have to use this brand. Any type of water wave hair will work. Free Tress has a really good water wave hair. Made Beauty has a good water wave hair. Who else? It's one more. Bobby Boss. Whatever you choose, you do what work for you. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my hair. Little updated tutorial. But I just pull out a little part. I put some gel on it. Shine Jam is like my go-to. Now I found it easier, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put the hair. I found it easier to put the ends on as opposed to trying to put the middle on. I'm gonna put the hair on there, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then I'm going to pull it. I want to make sure it's even. All right, and then I'm going to separate my own hair, and I'm going to start twisting. Now there's many ways to do passion twist. You can do the rubber band method. You can braid it directly on. It's whatever you want to do. So I'm gonna twist it down to my desired length. Like I said before, this is gonna be boho. So I took a piece of the hair, I'm gonna split it. I split it and then I cut it again because I don't want it looking too crazy. But I'm gonna take this and then literally start twisting. I'm going to start twisting, twisting, twisting. And then I'm going to take that little hair out, tuck it away. I'm going to tuck it behind my ear. And then I'm literally just going to keep twisting, just like that. And that's literally all you do. If you can twist, you can do your own hair. Especially if you got the rubber band method. Because a lot of people say, oh, I can't braid, I can't do this. Yes, you can. You can do it. You don't even have to know how to braid to do passion twist. This rubber band method will get you straight real quick. So I'm going to twist down until I get to a certain length, because this time we're going to leave our hair out at the end. So we just going to keep twisting down. And then once I get to the desired length that I want, I'm going to knot it off. Now what works best when you knot it off is if you have some type of glue to put on that knot. You could use nail glue, and all you need is a little bit, because if you don't use any glue, it's gonna unravel unless you're just that good at knotting. I'm not that good at knotting, so mine comes loose. But you just gonna take a little piece out and you're literally going to basically tie a knot. It's literally that easy, y'all. So you're gonna take it, tie the knot, and there you go. That's how I want my ends to look, just like that. And bam, there you go. The hair I had. And then this is the little hair that I got left out. You can add more. I'm probably gonna do like 2, like one up here and one down there, but that's basically what that looks like, okay? you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, back again with another video. You guys literally just saw me install these Boho passion twists. Y'all, I saw this style on TikTok yesterday and I was like, I need it. So I took my hair down, had to do this style, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't care. I had to add some 99J in there because I ran out of the hair. To me, 3 packs will be sufficient. I had only bought 2. So yeah, you guys, I love this so much. This is gonna be my style for the next couple of weeks. Very easy. This was a very easy style to do. And the thing about this hair is it's so lightweight. This hair is 18 inches. I have the color number 2 and I got 99J in here as well. I love it. And the thing I like about this hair is lightweight, but it also does not have that weird awkward smell that certain hairs come with. But yeah, you guys, all the information on how to check this hair out will be down in the description box. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I think I used almost all of the hair. So I had like 2 bundles left in the 99J package. This is all I have left, and I used all of the hair from the first 2 packs. And in the first 2 packs, I used all the hair, but I used 2 strands for the install. 2 strands for each rubber band section. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me down in the description box or the comment section, and I will answer those for you. But yeah, you guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching.